Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace of Rich Freedom by Designs, and welcome Freedom Warriors, because today I'm going to share with you how to make $1,000 a day online. And what I want to do is I don't want to give you any fluff. I don't want to give you any theory. I can only give you from my experience of what I've done and what I've accomplished to share with you what's worked for me. Okay. Now my record online is I cracked the code. I've earned $42,000 in 15 weeks. And I want to share with you how you could earn more money in a day, especially if you're trying to achieve $1,000 a day. Now, I joined a high-ticket affiliate marketing company, and what I did was I learned marketing to that training and that system, and I took action on what I've learned, and I was able to allow myself to fire my boss and be free. Now, guys, I've been online since 2008, so I have experience with online marketing. So I'm going to give you these simple steps for you to follow, so that way you're not left in the dark. Now, the first thing is you want to have is the right offer. The offer is either going to make you or break you when you're trying to earn $1,000 a day. Now, if you have an offer that pays you, let's say, $1,000 in commissions, then it can be fairly simple to earn that $1,000 a day. If you don't have that, you have to work twice as hard to earn that amount. Case in point, if you're selling something for $10 or selling something for $20 or even $40, it can still be done, but you have to work twice as hard to get to that point. And I've learned that through my experience and my failures. Now the next thing is I'm positioned to earn up to $5,500 in a single day. That's why it's easier for me to earn $1,000 a day, okay? So once you have the right offer, I want you to move into the next step. Have an autoresponder so that way you can start driving traffic and generate your leads. You start generating leads, you start building an audience, you start building a list. Let me give you a quick analogy. Think of yourself being the person in the middle of a big stadium, and you have the microphone and you have the voice and you have 50,000, 100,000 people, as much as you want, listening to you. Because when you build your list, there's no limit, there's no ceiling. You are in full control of that. Now, once you build your list, here's the third step I want to talk about. Learn to communicate. Learn to follow up effectively. Learn to build trust and build a relationship with that list, okay? By giving value. How do you give value? By investing into your intellectual capital, so you can give more value to the marketplace. This is how you'll be able to earn $1,000 a day, because they'll have trust in you because of the value that you are given, okay? And guys, these are the simple steps that I'm sharing with you right now. This is exactly what I've done on the internet, okay, to earn $1,000 a day, if not over that amount, okay? So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. If you love this content, make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure that you click on the notification bell so that way you don't miss any trainings, any lives that we do. And also click on the link below this video. It is my #1 recommended program that I use to earn a living online, that has allowed me to fire my boss and not have a job and be 100% free and do what I want and live life on my terms, okay? Guys, you guys have a great day. Today's Saturday. We have a stormy day over here. Hopefully the rain will pass. But yep, sitting in my car. Just got back from Starbucks and got some tea. Gonna head out there and head back in and get some work done. Talk to you soon, guys. Love you and appreciate you. You guys have a great day. Bye now.